I am a child of Elohim by faith in Messiah Yeshua, as it is written in Galatians 3, verse 26. For ye are all the children of Elohim by faith in Messiah Yeshua. I am a new creature in Messiah. The old things have passed away, and I can see all things new, as it is written in 2 Corinthians 5, verse 17. Therefore, if any man be in Messiah, he is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new. I am loving and love others with the love of Yeshua, as it is written in John 13, verse 34. A new commandment I give unto you, that ye love one another as I have loved you, that ye also love one another. I am the righteousness of Elohim in Messiah Yeshua, as it is written in 2 Corinthians 5, verse 21. For he hath made him to be sin for us, who knew no sin, that we might be made the righteousness of Elohim in him. I am full of life and in good health, because I have found the words of my heavenly Father and given attention to them. I have not let them depart from mine eyes, and I have kept them in the midst of my heart, as it is written in Proverbs 4, verses 20 to 22. My son, attend to my words. Incline thine ear unto my sayings. Let them not depart from thine eyes. Keep them in the midst of thine heart, for they are life unto those that find them, and health to all their flesh. I am healed when I cried out to my Yahweh for help, and he healed me, as it is written in Psalms 30, verse 2. O Yahweh, my Elohim, I cried unto thee, and thou hast healed me. I am alive. I will not die, but will live and proclaim what Yahweh has done, as it is written in Psalms 118, verse 17. I shall not die, but live and declare the works of Yahweh. I am living long for the love of Yahweh. For I love Yahweh, my Elohim, and I know his name. As it is written in Psalms 91, verses 14 to 16. Because he hath set his love upon me, therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high, because he hath known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him and show him my salvation. I am prospering, and I am good, and I am in good health, even as my soul prospers, as it is written in 3 John 1, verse 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in good health, even as thy soul prospereth. I am satisfied. My Elohim fills my longing and hungry soul with goodness, as it is written in Psalms 107, verse 9. For he satisfieth the longing soul, and filleth the hunger soul with goodness. I am receiving every good and perfect gift which is from above and comes from the Father of lights, and he doesn't change, as it is written in James 1 verse 17. Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, and cometh down from the Father of lights, with whom is no variableness, neither shadow of turning. I am dwelling in the secret place of the Most High, and I am abiding under the shadow of the Almighty, as it is written in Psalms 91 verse 1. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I am strong and of good courage. I fear not, nor am I afraid. For Yahweh is my Elohim, and it is he that doeth go with me. He will not fail me, nor forsake me, as it is written in Deuteronomy 31 verse 6. Be strong and of a good courage. Fear not, nor be afraid of them. For Yahweh thy Elohim, he it is that doeth go with thee. He will not fail thee, nor forsake thee. I am established by Yahweh, who is faithful, and has kept me from evil, as it is written in 2 Thessalonians 3, verse 3. But Yahweh is faithful, who shall establish you and keep you from evil. I am hidden in Yahweh, who is my hiding place and my shield. I hope in his word, as it is written in Psalms 119, verse 114. Thou art my hiding place and my shield. I hope in thy word. I am edged in and protected by Yahweh my Elohim on every side, in my home and in all that I have. My Elohim has blessed the work of my hands, and my substance is increased in the land. As it is written in Job 1 verse 10. Hast not thou made an hedge about him, and about his house, and about all that he hath on every side? Thou hast blessed the work of his hands, and his substance is increased in the land. I am still and at peace, because Yahweh is fighting for me, as it is written in Exodus 14, verse 14. Yahweh shall fight for you, and he shall hold your peace. I am loved by Elohim, because while I was still a sinner, Messiah died for me, as it is written in Romans 5, verse 8. But Elohim commandeth his love towards us, in that while we were yet sinners, Messiah Yeshua died for us. I am loved by Elohim, as it is written in John 15, verse 13. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. I am a friend of Elohim, as it is written in John 15, verse 14. Ye are my friends, if ye do whatsoever I command you. I am inseparable from the love of Elohim, as it is written in Romans 8, verses 38 to 39. For I am persuaded that neither death, nor life, nor angels, nor principalities, nor powers, nor things present, nor things to come, nor height, nor depth, nor any other creature shall be able to separate us from the love of Elohim, which is in Messiah Yeshua, or Yahweh Shua. I am precious in the sight of Elohim, and I have been considered honorable, as it is written in Isaiah 43 verse 4. Since thou wast precious in my sight, thou hast been honorable, and I have loved thee. Therefore will I give men for thee, and people for thy life. I am raised up and seated with my brothers and sisters in Messiah Yeshua in heavenly places, as it is written in Ephesians 2 verse 6. And he hath raised us up together and made us sit together in heavenly places in Messiah Yeshua. I am treading on serpents and scorpions with the full authority of Messiah Yeshua over the power of the enemy, and nothing shall by any means hurt me, as it is written in Luke 10 verse 19. Behold, I give unto you power to tread on serpents and scorpions, and over all the power of the enemy, and nothing shall any means hurt you. I am submitted to Elohim. I resist the devil, and he flees from me, as it is written in James 4 verse 7. Submit yourselves therefore to Elohim. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Thank you for listening to these words from the Bible. These are affirmations that you can repeat and believe them, so that your faith in Yeshua will increase and you will grow and shine with him daily. Bless his holy name. Oh, praise him.